Hello, today I'm going to show you the Eastborn floor plan of a home in the Tribute, the Waterford Pointe village in the Tribute. This home is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage home, 3,004 square feet, and it has a backyard covered porch, and it's a grotto. It's completely covered with one side open to the backyard. Here we have the door to the garage, 2-car garage on that side, 1 car on the other side that does not have access through the house. We saw there the half bath. We saw the utility room, washer and dryer room. This is one of the 3 bedrooms. This is a 12-foot by 11-foot bedroom. It has a full bath and a walk-in closet. As we come back around to the other way, we will pass the half bath one more time, the utility room, and come out to the foyer where you can see the wood tiled flooring and very large family room. Very well appointed. Here we have the formal dining room. It's also very large, big enough to put a large table in for all your friends and family to sit around and enjoy a great meal with you. This is the 2nd bedroom. As you can see, very high ceilings, tall ceilings, very open. This whole house is very open. This bedroom is 12 feet by 12 feet. It has its own bathroom and walk-in closet. So we come back out this way and we go across over here. We have a closet right here to the left with shelving inside of it, so you can use it to to be used by the study, or you can use it as an extension to the pantry in the kitchen. As we come in through the French doors, we have the study. The study is also 12 by 11. We see the formal dining again. You can see the recessed lighting all throughout the house. It's very bright, very beautiful house. We'll come across the fireplace and see the covered porch there, and make our way over to the master bedroom. When you look in the master bedroom, you see that we have inlaid ceiling, a modern ceiling fan, and an absolutely gorgeous bay window that overlooks your backyard. The master bedroom is also wired for any audio and visual components that you may have. We come in through the double doors and you have your master bedroom master bathroom. You can see that there's extra railings, towel railings, a separate shower and garden tub. Okay, we're going to come back in through the family room again and come over and approach the kitchen. You can see the island on this side has room to put stools up into. You can see that there's granite countertops. Very well appointed, great neutral color there. We have 2 ovens. You have a walk-in pantry, good sized walk-in pantry. You have a 5-burner gas stove, and the island has your sink and dishwasher. It was also a stainless steel microwave. We're going to come across the breakfast nook area to go backyard. Here we have the covered porch. It's a really good sized porch too, and it overlooks your good sized backyard. Lots of privacy in this backyard, as you can tell. The fences on both sides are very tall, so that all the neighbors are not looking into each other's backyards, and a nice long backyard so that you can put in a pool, a small pool if you'd like to. It's a great house. This house again is in the Waterford Pointe village of the Tribute. It's pretty secluded, close to the lake, and you will notice that it does truly cater to sort of the empty nesters, the amenity center is right on the lake, 2 acres on the lake. The amenity center has an infinity pool that overlooks the lake. There's a little lounge area that you can lounge in lounge chairs and take a look at the lake, especially on a sunsetty day. Beautiful, beautiful property. Maximize your livability and value.